Delicious. Chicken karahi.
Ingredients:
1 kg chicken, perfectly cut in small pieces. 3 tablespoons oil. Ginger garlic paste. 1½ tomatoes chopped. 2 tablespoons chili powder. 5 teaspoons salt. 5 to 6 green chilies slit from center, if required. 1 tablespoon roasted cumin seeds, crushed. 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. 1 teaspoon allspices powder. Salt, according to taste. Green coriander chopped, as required.
Method: heat oil in a wok and salt, garlic and ginger paste in it. Add chicken and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame, and tomatoes, chili powder, and salt. Mix it and leave it covered to cook. After 5 to 6 minutes add yogurt, green chilies, cumin seeds, methi and all spice products, and green coriander, and mix it and cook it at low flame until the chicken is tender and all water dries up. Serve hot with roti.
Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.